Do you want to know where to have a great breakfast? Well, let me show you. This is Sax, a 50s style diner on Petaluma Boulevard, and they have the best breakfasts. And I'd like to introduce you to the owners and show you some of the food. Let's take a look inside. Let's take a look at some of their delicious food. Well, here are a few meals that are ready to be sent out and eaten. This is what you can expect at Sax's. Come on down and enjoy. So let me show you their outside seating, as they have a nice area to sit and enjoy breakfast outside. So here I'm going to introduce you to Kim. She is one of the owners, and I'd like her to tell you a little about her place, Saxelby.
Hello there, I'm Kimberly Saxelby, one of the daughters, one of the owners of Sax's Joint. We opened this little diner 8 years ago, August, inspired by my father. He's always wanted us to own the diner, and after his passing, we decided to step up and make that happen. We're a small 50 style diner. Mom and Pop, Greasy Spoon, my sister, myself, and my mother.
Well, thank you, Kim, and I appreciate your time, and I love your business.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for letting me show you Sax's. Again, you will not be disappointed with their breakfast. A+ rating in my book. Take care. Bye-bye.